Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Begin by assembling ingredients and mixi end place for hard sugar candy fruit. Measure exactly 2 cups granulated sugar, 2/3 cup light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup water into a heavy 2 to 3 quart saucepan. Clip a candy thermometer to the side so the tip rests above the bottom, and set silicone fruit molds or a rimmed baking sheet lined with parchment. Lightly oil or spray them. Keep flavoring oils measured at 1/8 to 1/4 teaspoon and have food coloring, a heat-proof spatula, and powdered sugar for dusting ready beside the stove. Start heating the sugar mixture over medium-high heat and resist stirring once it boils. Swirling the pan is acceptable to even heat distribution. Monitor the candy thermometer and allow the syrup to reach 300 degrees F, the hard crack stage, which ensures a clear, glassy finish and proper snap. If foam forms, skim with a small spoon. Remove the pan from heat when 300 degrees F is reached. Wait 10 to 15 seconds for violent bubbling to settle. Then add 1/8 to 1/4 tsp flavor oil and a few drops of coloring, stirring quickly before pouring. After pouring, allow the candies to set undisturbed in molds for 10 to 15 minutes until firm. Unmold carefully, and dust lightly with powdered sugar to prevent stickiness and sticking together. Trim any sharp edges with kitchen shears while slightly warm if desired, and package single layers separated by parchment. Store in an airtight container with a small desiccant packet. Keep at room temperature away from humidity and direct sunlight. If candies absorb moisture and become sticky or cloudy, reheat gently to 250 degrees F or remelt, and recast to refresh clarity and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.